You are settled in Canada, but your parents and grandparents are missing you. Your job is hectic and you cannot take leave. So, what do? Get your parents a super visa or a visitor's visa. Let's find out. What's the difference between a super visa and a visitor's visa? While a visitor visa can be used by anyone, a super visa is only for parents and grandparents of Canadian permanent residents and citizens. If you bring your parents on visitor visa, they can live with you for up to 6 months at a time. A super visa allows them to stay for a maximum period of 2 years without a break. You can get a visitor visa in 2 to 3 weeks, while super visa will take around 2 to 3 months. A visitor visa may or may not be a multiple entry visa, while a super visa is always a multiple entry visa. Your parents are able to apply for a super visa only if you are a Canadian permanent resident or a citizen. If you are on a student visa or work permit, you do not have this option. Visitor visa has no such requirements. For super visa, you need to give a signed invitation letter to your parents or grandparents that you will be taking care of their financial requirements during their stay in Canada. Again, for visitor visa, an invitation letter is not mandatory. In case of a super visa, you need to get a 1-year paid medical insurance for your parents or grandparents from a Canadian medical insurance company. It should have a minimum coverage of $100,000. This is not mandatory in case of a visitor visa, but I always recommend to carry a travel insurance just in case. Since you are the sponsor of super visa, you need to bear the financial responsibility of your parents or grandparents. You also need to meet the minimum income cutoff as shown here. You need to show at least 1 year's tax file as proof of your income source. In case of visitor visa, your parents will have to show funds in their own bank accounts. Your financial status is not taken into consideration. First, you need to meet all the eligibility requirements we just discussed. Next, for your parents' super visa, they need to apply from outside Canada. That means your parents can't be residing in Canada at that time. However, for visitor visa, you can apply either from inside or outside Canada. Both visas are valid for 10 years or till the validity of the passport, whichever comes first. Each visa costs about $100. In both cases, passing a medical test is mandatory. Remember to show your parents' ties to their home country. Assure the immigration department about their intention to leave Canada willingly before their visit period expires. I hope this video helps in bringing your parents and grandparents to live with you in Canada. Please let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make separate videos on either super visa or visitor visa. In my next video, I will talk about the spousal PR.